everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential piece of gear for any audio enthusiast, recording artist, or live sound engineer. The huaham 6.6ft Nylon Braided XLR male to female balanced 3-pin microphone cable. This isn't just any cable. It's designed to be a reliable workhorse in various demanding environments, from the quiet confines of a recording studio to the bustling energy of a live stage. One of the first things one notices about this huaham cable is its robust construction. The 6.6-foot length strikes a perfect balance, offering enough reach for most setups without introducing excessive slack that can lead to tangles. But the real standout feature here is the nylon braided exterior. This isn't merely for aesthetics. It significantly enhances the cable's durability, protecting the internal wiring from wear and tear, kinks, and snags that are all too common with standard PVC jackets. Users will appreciate how this braiding also makes the cable remarkably flexible and resistant to tangling, simplifying setup and teardown. Underneath that tough exterior lies a balanced 3-pin XLR configuration. This is crucial for maintaining signal integrity, especially over longer runs, by effectively canceling out electromagnetic interference and noise. What this means for the user is a cleaner, clearer audio signal, whether they are connecting a high-end condenser microphone to a mixer, linking speaker systems, or integrating stage lighting equipment. The male-to-female connectors are precisely engineered, ensuring a snug and secure fit that won't accidentally disconnect during a critical performance or recording session. The versatility of this huaham XLR cable is truly impressive. It's not just for microphones. Its robust design and balanced signal transmission make it ideal for a wide array of compatible devices. Think about connecting your mixer to an audio interface, running signals to powered speakers, or even controlling DMX-compatible stage lighting. Its reliability across these different applications makes it an invaluable addition to any professional or home setup. In conclusion, the huaham 6.6ft Nylon Braided XLR male to female balanced 3-pin microphone cable stands out as a top-tier option for anyone seeking a durable, high-performance, and versatile audio cable. Its thoughtful design, from the protective nylon braiding to the balanced signal path, ensures that it delivers pristine audio quality and unwavering reliability, making it a smart investment for anyone serious about their sound.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.